This is dog versus truck right here. Who? Oh. Yeah. The dog's winning. Oh. Here we go. Let go, my bird. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, shit. This truck is a Walmart truck. So don't judge me.
A Walmart truck.
It is. Oh, oh my God. I gotta go in. Maybe that hole will give me some help.
Looking.
Let go of the bird moose. Oh wait, I was turning the wrong way. No. Haha. Oh, I gotta. Oh. Yeah, flip him over. Flip him over. They had enough of him. That is it. All horsepower on deck. Yeah.
You think you ever bite the truck?
Yeah, he done before. Oh, oh, truck's gonna win.
Oh, busted.
Oh,
Oh,
that is it.
dog took this one.
Yeah.
Next one, Chihuahua. It'll be a fair fight.
We don't even have a Chihuahua. It would. Okay.